QRecipe is a web platform streamlining allergen information, intolerance, food nutrition facts, and many more for non-prepacked and packed food. Register now or log into your account and start creating QRecipes. As you would normally do, give a title to your recipe. Keep your recipe private or publish it with others, as it may get you more customers. Select if the recipe is online or offline. Choose a course category and add some descriptive tags, which will prove very helpful in the long run. Enter a short pitch description for your recipe. Draft a recipe preparation method and add the number of servings and the preparation time. Select the lactose and gluten intolerance information for the ingredients you are using. Search and choose the ingredients for your recipe from a database of more than 3,500 ingredients. Add the quantity and the unit and hit add to include it in the ingredients list. You can even select items instead of units. Let's admit it, unless you know that a large egg is 57 grams or 2 ounces, you will most likely include one large egg instead of each weight in the ingredients list. Add a picture of the recipe, as it will help you find it easier on your list and will make your customer drool to taste it. Just click on Submit Recipe to generate all the related information, including the 14 allergens matrix. You can view your recipe in the selected course category, including the generated information for allergens, intolerance, and food nutrition facts, and the QR containing this information. Join QRecipe to learn more and keep on improving food intelligence.